What's up, everybody? Miles here with another quick tip for you this Thursday. This edition is brought to you in part by my bedroom because obvious reasons. Today I want to show you a couple cool things you can use with color labels in Lightroom. Now, Lightroom by default gives you 5 colors to work with, so the possibilities are endless. What I want to do today is give you some practical application and give you some examples of how I use color labels and how some of our team members in the studio use color labels. The nice thing about color labels is that you can apply a color label in grid mode, view, or in develop. At any point, if you've selected an image, you can press 6, 7, 8, or 9, and that'll change the color label according to the number that you pressed. 6 for red, 7 for yellow, 8 for green, and 9 for blue. And if you want to do purple, you have to go up to Photo, Set Color Label to Purple. So if you're using stars, flags, and color labels, you have up to 12 to 13 different labels that you can use within Lightroom, and this will help you stay organized, know exactly where all your files are, and quickly reference them. So one example that you could use color labels for is a system that lets you know visually what image needs what work. So for instance, if this image needed some extra Photoshop work or retouching or just extra editing care, you could label that red and apply the red label to any other images, and so you know that there are some images in your catalog that still need some work. Yellow is what I use for all of my previews, so if I ever am going through a catalog after a wedding and want to send some sneak peeks to my clients, I'll just hit 7 for the really good pictures. Green can be a label that you use for like your blog posts or social media, images that you really like. This is above and beyond your sneak peeks that you're sending to your clients, and then you just know, oh, I have 4 or 5 images ready for a blog post, or 4 or 5 images ready for social media. And you can use the blue marker for black and white images, blue, black and white, B, alliteration, it makes sense. One thing that's really cool is that you can quickly reference all the images that have that specific color. So if you look here, I have a bunch of images that I used for a preview for our clients, so I marked those with yellow label, so you can go up there, hit yellow, and now you can see all the images that you marked with yellow. And blue is what I use for black and white, so every time I do a black and white, I just quickly make it blue by pressing 9. And once those are all selected, you can just press attribute here in Lightroom. If you don't see this little bar, press the straight up and down line right below your delete button. Attribute, and hit green, and there's all the images that I just selected there. So it's super quick, super easy. I hope this little trick helps you save some time and stay organized within Lightroom. If you've never used color labels before, why not start now? They're such an easy tool to use and help you stay organized and on top of all of your images within Lightroom. So give it a shot. If you guys have any other tips you want us to talk about, slide into our DMs, leave us a comment. We would love to cover these in another video. Thanks guys, and see you later.